Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video, and welcome back to a video on Turbo. I stopped covering this a little bit last week. Before that, I covered it quite extensively, of course, just for the fact that we were not doing that much, and the momentum was also down quite a bit. Friday obviously had a significant drop, and now I wanted to give you my thoughts and just in general cover it again, because what we saw yesterday afternoon is that in a matter of 2 hours, $15 million in positions were opened. Now, mostly long positions, not only long positions, there were some shorts in there as well. But that's why I wanted to cover it, all right? Because I kind of wanted to review that price action, review the buys we got in, and now what to expect, all right? Early this morning, we got some more buys coming in, as you can see right here. But due to probably the volume for Turbo, which has increased by quite a bit, by 170%, those buys, which were in total about 5 million, a little bit less, like 4 million, and then what? Those made a much less significant impact on the price. So just wanted to give you my thoughts. Yesterday with the pump, we from this level right here at 0.005, so half a cent, we got all the way up to this resistance level at 0.65 and a bit higher. As you can see, that resistance level was already on the chart. And so far we have rejected from that. Now, what we obviously want is to get a breakout there. Because if you look at the technical situation right now for Turbo, I would argue that yesterday we were bearish. But now, after having broken above some significant levels at 0.55 cents and 0.6 cents, excuse me, this level here in the middle, I think technically we're consolidating, which is a bit of a weird thing to say after such a big pump. But I do think that's the truth. The EMAs are fairly flat here. I don't really expect much of a reaction from the EMAs here. Like if we fall down lower than this red and blue line, if we start to drop here, I don't expect support there, even though there's a bit of a technical support at 0.6 cents as well. And yesterday we also did not respect them. So from this consolidation, what we want to see is a bullish breakout, of course, because if we actually get that breakout, and if we get some sort of a 4-hour time frame candle close above 0.68 cents, so that's 0.0068, then we're bullish, all right? This breakout in combination with the momentum we've gained, I think it's much more likely to assume then that we are bullish and we're going back up to 0.75 and 0.8 cents up here. So this is what we want to see. And the main question is this most likely? And well, I wanted to talk most about that, which right now the video is already pretty long. But do I think that that's most likely? No. All right. I think in general, the markets right now are not ideal. There's a possibility that Bitcoin turns bullish. I would almost say that we need a bullish Bitcoin to actually get a move like this, first of all. But the thing is that what we see now is some big buys coming in. I think it's a bit more likely that this is just a whale buying into Turbo, hoping that retail buys it up, which we have seen a little bit after the move, and that he will just slowly start to sell it off, which already kind of started overnight. Here you can see some sort of a T-web formation, which basically means he or she is selling off a percentage of the tokens every hour. And with these markets and these moves, sure, it's a possibility that we break out. So you should, like, what I would do is place a price alert at 0.68 cents. Like if we get, I wouldn't long right now. If we get a breakout above that, I think you have enough confirmation to long. But I think it's much more likely, if you just logically think that we're going to get maybe another spike up to that level, but then some sort of a sell-off into 0.55 cents, and probably also back down into 0.5 cents. So that's what I would be prepared for. Place some price alerts for when the opposite happens, but that's at least how I view Turbo for now. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.